case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In 2001, the United States Bankruptcy Court for the Northern District of Ohio heard the case of LTV Steel Company, which centered on the application of Rule 60(b) of the Federal Rules of Civil Procedure. The rule allows a party to request relief from a judgment or order for several reasons, such as newly discovered evidence, fraud, or any other justifiable reason. The dispute arose when Abbey National Treasury Services sought to modify an interim order allowing LTV Steel Company, which had recently undergone reorganization, to use cash assets in which Abbey National had an interest. Abbey National claimed it was not given sufficient notice of the hearing and thus lacked due process of law. The case hinged on whether Abbey National's claim was valid, if the cash collateral indeed belonged to the debtor, and if the interim order protected Abbey National's interests. Both parties presented their arguments at the hearing, with debtor having filed for Chapter 11 bankruptcy and numerous employees and retirees relying on its operations. Ultimately, the court was tasked with making findings of fact and law. After careful consideration, the court denied Abbey National's request to modify the interim order, finding no evidence to justify a change. The court determined that Abbey National was not deprived of due process during the December 29, 2000 hearing, and concluded that the debtor held an equitable interest in sufficient inventory and receivables. It was further decided that Abbey National's interests were adequately protected by the equity cushion and the terms of the interim order.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.